Hey you want to earn money, right? You want to live that lavish lifestyle. You want to live life on the fast lane and you don't want to worry about money ever again. Well, it's your lucky day today. I'll help you grind like a brake pad but in only 3 easy steps. Click, copy, and paste. Then all that there is left to do is watch the money fill up your bank account. If you want that to happen for real, then continue watching this video and keep watching it as if your life depended on it. Don't just take it lightly. Pay close attention to even the smallest of details because if you even miss just one step, you won't be earning money at all. And we don't want that. What we want is to be able to work from home and get as comfortable as we can while getting paid non-stop. So, if you're ready to take the big leap and are determined to profit today, let's get started. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know how to make money online. The easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get right into the video. Go to digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation including tax automation. What we want to do here is promote the items for sale on this website. No worries, because you don't need to be a marketing expert or have any experience in sales. We will promote the link leading to the product, and after every purchase of whoever buys the product itself, we can earn a certain commission. First off, we need to register and make an account for this website so that we can start. Now, the setup process, as you can see here, requires you to input a lot of information, but I'll show you how to do it and make it easier for you along the way. But let me show you something first. Go ahead and click on Marketplace on the top of the page. Right here you can see various products for sale. These are what we're going to promote. For example, Medicore. On the left side across the products, you can see that if you're able to sell this, you will earn 85% commission, plus on the average, you can earn $104.84. We can also scroll down and look at some more products and you can see that there are different rates of commission and average earning so that there are a lot of choices here. Here's a tip I want to give you. Click on the Sort By drop-down and click on Sort By Earnings or Sale. Now, you will see that this is one of the highest profiting products as you can see here, and you can earn $731.65 per sale. Imagine selling 2 or 3 of these, so then you'll be earning much more. This has a really good potential for earning, so let's go back and register for an account. Oh, and by the way, if you're learning a lot from this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. At the homepage, click on the blue button. Now, make sure to select to sign up as an affiliate because we're here to earn commissions online. You can type in whatever username you want and your own unique affiliate link will be generated just down below. Then put in your email and password. As for the time zone, go ahead and select the time zone or country that matches wherever you are right now. And then fill in some personal information like your name, address, and so on. Make sure to provide the details accurately, then at the bottom make sure to click the box that says you've read their contract and privacy policy, and then click on Register Free Now. Now that we have our own account, let's go back to the previous product I showed you. Here, below the commission percentage, you can see your personalized link. Now if you notice, it wasn't there before you had an account. If you click on that, you'll be brought to this page which explains specific details and other stuff about the product. This is basically all the sales materials to help convince them to buy the product or help them out if this is the product that they're looking for. If they then decide to make a purchase, then for sure you'll be earning money in no time. The only question that remains here is where will we promote the product? The answer is on Reddit. Reddit has a lot of forums, discussions, and queries by people around the internet. I guess you're already familiar with this website since it's really well known. This website and the right subreddits or topics will help us get paid. So what we want to do here is to find the right people, the right consumers that will be perfect for our link and product. So we need to look for that niche. The product that we chose was a video course on how to sell products on YouTube and basically earn money there. So of course, the topic that we need to look for is how to make money online. You just go ahead and type that on the search bar, and then there will be multiple results, and this also adds more potential for you to earn money since in every topic or subreddit you'll be able to post and share your link, and the hundreds and thousands of people who log in and visit every day might just be your next purchaser. Okay, so how do you convince them to click your link? Now you're not just going to waltz into the discussion pasting your link as a comment. People are just going to ignore it and breeze past by it. What you want to do is to give them a proper answer first on how they can potentially earn money with the help of your link and how the product can cater to their needs depending on what type of money-making method they want to try. You might want to write something in the lines of, "The most common way I saw other users from subreddits make money online is to just use money-making methods from websites that offer them." I mean, it's easy to do, but the biggest problem here is that it does not last long and will stop working after some time. What you want here is something that will help you profit and earn money indefinitely. Now, that's something that sounds more organic, natural, and genuine. So after typing that in, right down the bottom, just go ahead and post your link. You can actually use what I just said as some sort of template so that your response, as I said, will sound more organic and natural. Before we end, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below.